I will leave a parts list in the description. Basically, that's where it's going to mount. I cut it down so that the beveled part actually fits inside the pipe. And I use JB weld. That's after. I opened up the weed eater and removed the trigger safety. It's just irritating to deal with it. This is a side-by-side comparison. The one on the bottom is an actual unit that I bought from Amazon, which actually had very good reviews. I will demo the unit that I purchased from Amazon. I don't understand exactly why it had good reviews. It's Mickey Mouse at absolute best. Compared to the weed eater, it's like comparing a shotgun to a BB gun. The only thing I can see that I might have to do is put an actual speed controller on the weed eater, because it probably does go a little faster than it needs to.